गोयचो राज्यपाल खंय गोयची संस्कृती आणि हेर दायजाचेर पुस्तक बरोवपाचो आसा। या हेतान तो सद्याक गोयच्या वेगवेगळ्या वाठारांनी भोंवड्यो काडून गोयच्या दायजांचो नियाळ घेता। काल राज्यपाल मडगांव पावलो। दामबाबाचे दर्शन घेतल्या उपरांत ताणें होली स्पिरिट चर्चीक भेट दिली। तशेंच चर्चीच्या वाठारांत आशिल्ल्या कितल्याशाच वर्सां पयलींच्या माड्डी ह्या गडगंज झाडाची पळोवणी केली आणि चड म्हायती जाणून घेतली। पळयात।
Regarding or valuable assets of this day, a very important speciality is there, certain trees. Already Rajabhavan initially conducted a study and decided 41 trees. Out of the 31 we will declare as heritage trees of Goa, and Rajabhavan is going to publish a book also on that. So this is a novice attempt as far as Rajabhavans are concerned in India. And after I am completing this, we are going to 7 or 9 islands also. Then through five books, we want to place it before the entire people of, at least people of India and various secretariats, various Rajabhavans and Delhi. We will free of cost we will publish this book, and for tourists without any spending any money they can go through this book, and in that way our tourism has to be extended.
गोवा 365 खातीर संदीप तुयेकार, श्वेता गांवकर आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।